morning, good morning. It is coming on 6 a.m. It is Monday, March 20th. And March 20th, actually, it's pretty representative, if I recall, of a couple of big bottoms that we had placed over the years. Um, Nothing pretty significant going on other than what I'll cover here that we covered already over the weekend. On Friday, we sent out this alert for PDT Monday, March 20th. The 40-25, 40-20 calls, 80 cents. I know a couple of guys got in at 75 or 80. Yeah, you can close those. Those are worthless. You can close them. You can leave them until the end of the day. Let them expire worthless. Either way, I have posted a trade in the room. Or no, I am looking at this. I'm looking at this trade right here for a little bit later in the day because I am expecting that we are going to close green today. So I'd rather wait until we get a little bit higher, a little bit closer to where we were overnight. And this is what I'm looking at 39.75, 39.70 calls. Currently, they're at 70 cents. I think if we wait a little bit longer because of what's taken place overnight, we can get a little bit better credit. And anyway, the only ones that can take this trade right now are guys with interactive brokers. But as well, I have posted the risk trade for today over in the spreads room, which is bullish, buying the 39.10 puts, selling 39.15 puts, currently at 2.25. Only because looking for a green close above 39.17. Risk is very clearly what it is. It's risk. So if you don't know how to manage risk, you don't need to be getting in that trade. Um, so yeah, where we're at is pretty blasé for right now because again, we don't have Jerome Powell until Wednesday. So not really much to, like I said, get any kind of answers of any confirmation until we get to that. But I will show you here overnight. We closed at 39.47 on Friday, 39.47.75. And overnight, you obviously heard about UBS, Credit Suisse needing that bailout. A lot of stuff taking place over there with First Republic, Signature. Robin Williams kind of sums it up pretty good, which I'll share with you here.
I talk to them about being like a group of junkies who've relapsed, going, listen, man, I just need some liquidity, you know what I'm saying? I just ran into some bad subprime, you know? We just had complex formulas. We just didn't factor in greed and panic, you know? I just need $805 billion by Tuesday. Yeah, no, seriously. No, I would not screw you again. It's pretty crazy.
I've learned my lesson.
No, baby, this is not like the other time. No, seriously, just throw me a bad here, baby.
Just give me,
help me out.
Just give me a little bit.
Yeah, just a taste. That's all I need is a taste. I need $2.5 trillion. I'll pay you back.
Get me through 1 week.
Yeah, it's like
they're going
to print out a new $20 bill. The new Geithner $20 bill will be, instead of "In God We Trust," it'll just say "Trust me," and it'll be the little man from Monopoly going like this.
So yeah. So anyway, futures open up on Sunday. A little bit of a spike up, a little bit of a dip, almost filling the gap, and then running right on up there to that 39.7850 pivot, which I've been sharing with Lowell, and Lowell's been making a pretty good killing trading the ES on that. And then
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
yeah, exactly. We'll zoom it out here for you. You absolutely cratered. I mean, 39.47 we closed at. We dropped down here to 38.97, right? So you're looking there at a 50-point move to the downside. Come off of here from your 39.77 where you were. You got an 80-point move to the downside, and here we are embarking right back to where we closed, basically flat, down 6 points, right at that 200-day moving average. So that's going to continue to be a major problem area right there. The NASDAQ, nope. NASDAQ is yet to go ahead and say, you know what, fuck it, bye Felicia, we're out of here. First thing we need to see over there on the NQ is at 12,465.25, right there. 12,4, call it 12,470. 12,470 is going to be your first bit of information that, yes, we do have a little bit of a dip taking place, and we can start looking for that lower area around that 12,000. maybe a little bit below that 12,000 like we're looking for. And then here over on your Dow, the Dow is still in trouble. The Dow is still in trouble. The Dow is still in trouble. So again, things are not looking fantastic all the way around. And the one bullish clue, and I say bullish very softly, don't take it the wrong way, is that you've got this gap to fill over here on the VIX. That's literally it. So we're heading into Monday. Everything is looking pretty copacetic, and I'll show you here. Credit Suisse. Credit Suisse is now trading, and look at that. Closed over here at $2, trading over here at 85 cents. Not good whatsoever. UBS, same thing. UBS, where are you? I'm pretty sure I got UBS. Yeah, UBS, here you go. Closed over here at 18. Little spike up, and now, again, same thing. You are not looking good over on your banks. And a lot of people have been asking about XLF and when to get into XLF, and I don't like it. I don't like XLF, but more importantly, I've been getting some questions about Bank of America. And let me remove these studies. Did not know you already had Bank of America all the way down here where we are, but I will show you Bank of America. Yes, we are unfortunately looking to get to my 2580, 25 area. And yeah, it is not a fantastic look over here at Bank of America. And you got the same thing over there with JP Morgan. So again, money is continuing to move out of everything that is significant and still continue to filter in to those insignificant NASDAQ stocks, which will eventually take their little bit of a puke and have a fantastic Monday. I literally have had nothing to say for the last 3 minutes, but you hear my voice going on. And tomorrow, Trump is going to get arrested for absolutely nothing. And it's because the United States is a fucking circus. So buy your popcorn, chill out, get ready for Wednesday. Wednesday, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Those 2 hours, we get all the answers that we want. Have a great day.